In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the header background on your Wix website to ensure that it aligns with your brand's look and feel. This straightforward process can breathe new life into your website and create a more immersive and engaging user experience. First things first, we're going to kick things off by opening the Wix editor. To do so, you will need to log into your Wix account and open the editor specifically for the website on which you aim to modify the header background. Now that we're logged in and have the editor open, the next step in the process is to select the header. This can be done by simply clicking anywhere on the header area of your website. The goal here is to ensure that you've selected the entire header, so aim to click on the bottom right of the header or menially hover over the header area until you can see that the entire strip is highlighted. That's when you know you've selected the entire header. With the header selected and highlighted, your next move is to open the design options. This can be accomplished by spotting a toolbar that will magically appear as soon as the header is selected. Your mission is to click on either Change Header Design or Change Strip Background found on this toolbar. Now that we've set the stage, it's time for the most exciting part: choosing a new background. We have a few excellent options on hand. If you're opting for a splash of color for your header background, simply select Fill Color and Opacity. Here, you'll have the freedom to select a new color and adjust its transparency to meet your liking. If you want your chosen color to be completely visible and bold, just remember to set the opacity to a full 100%. Alternatively, if you envision an image or video loading as the backdrop of your header, all you've got to do is select the option to use an image or video background. You're welcome to choose an image or video from the Media Manager, upload your own personal file, or choose a stellar high-quality image or video from the vast library that Wix provides. Now that we have chosen our preferred background, it's time to flex your artistic muscles and make it truly stand out by customizing the design. The Wix editor provides many options that can be used to adjust your background. You can add and style borders, change the shadows, and customize the corners to your heart's content. Lastly, once you're over the moon with how your new header background looks, it's time to save your changes. Just click Save, and voila! Your website now boasts a brand new look with your customized header background. Remember, this process is simple to follow and can totally transform the look and feel of your website, so don't hesitate to play around and experiment with different header background designs. Happy designing!